Hello everyone, a warm greetings to you all. I'm Jacinta Rani, Assistant Professor of English from Kausanar College of Arts and Science. Now I'm here to let you know the topic degrees of comparison. This is the topic prescribed under the subject called English for Enrichment 3, the General English paper for all the second year undergraduate students of Allahabad University. This topic is being in 4th unit. Let's move into the topic. From the title itself, we can get that the comparisons are made between two or more persons or things according to their degrees. Degrees are nothing but the qualities of something. In English, the terms which describes the qualities are adjectives and adverbs, isn't it? So, degrees mean adjectives and adverbs. Here, I simply define the terms. The term adjective shows how the person or thing is. I give an example here. She is a small girl. So, small is an adjective here because the term small resembles the quality of the person she. Okay. Then the term adverb shows how the person's action is. So here is an example. She walks slow. So slow is an adverb here because this term resembles or refers the person's actions, how she walks. So by these qualities alone, we can make comparison. So there are 3 degrees. The adjectives and adverbs have divided into 3 different forms to make comparison. So the 3 degrees are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So positive degree speaks about one person or thing. For example, she is tall, the table is heavy, he presents neatly. Likewise. So here I explain with the term honey. So the noun honey is sweet. Okay. Sweet is an adjective here. The term sweet resembles the quality of the honey. So in positive degree, the degree resembles the quality of one thing. Okay. It speaks about one thing. Okay. Then comparative degree speaks about 2 different persons or things. Okay. So here I compare 2 things. I compare honey with candies. Okay. According to the quality of sweet. Okay. Honey is sweeter than candies. Okay. When comparing honey with candies, honey is the sweeter, better than candy. Okay. Then superlative degree. Superlative degree speaks one person with or thing with the whole. Okay. Here I compare honey with all other sweets in the world. Okay. Honey is the sweetest one among all. Okay, got it? Next. This slide shows degrees format. Okay. Here I mentioned the format of degrees for your better comprehension. I am sure that it will definitely help you to write or change in your examinations. We can also call these formats as variation of adjectives or variation of adverbs. The format of positive degree is as plus adjective plus as or not so plus adjective plus as. If the sentence is in negative, we have to use so instead of as. Okay. I give an example here. Ajay is as good as Vijay. Okay. Here the character, the person Ajay is compared with Vijay according to their qualities. Okay. So good is an adjective here. Ajay is as good as Vijay. So here both are equal in character. Next, in the next sentence, Vijay is not so clever as Ajay. Okay, here Ajay and Vijay are compared with according to their knowledge. Okay, so when comparing their knowledge, Vijay is not so clever as Ajay. Okay, Ajay Mari, Vijay வந்து clever கிடையாது according to their knowledge, but as character wise they both are equal. So in the first sentence I use the format as plus adjective plus as, that is as good as, and in the second sentence I use the format not so plus adjective plus as, that is not so clever as. Okay, then the format of comparative degree should be written as adjective plus er plus than, or more plus adjective plus than. See, if the adjective has one or two syllable, we can add er and est to the term to form comparative and superlative degrees respectively. If it has more than two syllables, we cannot add er or est with the term. Instead, we have to use more or most to the comparative and superlative degrees respectively. Here I give an example for this. Okay, in the first sentence, he is older than you. Here, older than, old is an adjective here. They both are different in characters. Okay, then the ant is more industrious than the grasshopper. Okay, here I compare with the ant with the grasshopper. I compare the ant with the grasshopper. When comparing both of them, ant is more industrious. Industrious means hard work. So ant is more hardworking than the grasshopper. So here I use the term more because industrious has more than two syllables. That is why we have to add more before the term industrious. Okay, then the superlative degree should be formed as adjective plus est or most plus adjective. So the same thing will follow here. Asia is the biggest continent in the world. Here Asia is compared with all the continents in the world, and she is the most intelligent girl in the class. Okay, so she is compared with all the girls in the class. So among them, she is the most intelligent girl. So the term intelligent has more than two syllables, so I use most here. So keep it in mind that the format of degrees must be like this. Variation of adjectives. The adjective or adverbs variations are given here. We will have a short look in this slide. Okay, the first adverb are yearly. It will become earlier in comparative and earliest in superlative. Short, shorter, shortest. Both have single syllable, so we can easily add er and est to the comparative and superlative respectively. So in next thing, important and beautiful, these adjective has more than two syllables, so we have to add more and most to the comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, so I add important, more important, most important, beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. Some of the irregular adjectives are also there in English. So the term good and well both has the comparative form of better and superlative form of best. Okay, then bad will become worse in comparative and worst in superlative, and little will become less in comparative and least in superlative. Much will become more in comparative and most in superlative. Hitherto we have seen what is comparison, what are degrees, what are the three different forms of degrees and their variations and forms. Now we are going to see the types of degrees of comparison. In degrees of comparison, there are three types, namely type 1, type 2 and type 3. These types are used to change one degree into another. This is how you will be asked questions in your examinations. I think you could have experienced this type of exercise in your school, isn't it? The same thing you are going to do here also. First, we see about type 1. There are two models in this type, that is model 1 and model 2. In this type, only two degrees are used, positive degree and comparative degree. There is no superlative degree in this type. If the given sentence is in positive degree, you can change it into comparative degree alone. If it is in comparative degree, we can change it into positive degree alone. Okay. As I already said, there are two models. In model 1, comparisons are made with two equal persons or things. In model 2, two different persons or things are compared. In type 2, there is only one model. This model, we can call this as OMV model. Okay. O refers to one of the, M refers to many other or most other, V refers to very few. One of the in superlative degree, many other or most other used in comparative degree, and very few is used in positive degree. Okay, it will be useful to you when you change the degrees into another. Okay, so these should be, so in superlative degree the format one of the, and in the third type there will be will come before an adjective, and many other or most other and any other will come after adjective, and very few and no other will come in the beginning of the sentence. So keep it in mind. And type 3 is called TAN model. TAN, T refers to the, A refers to any other, no, N refers to no other, T the in superlative, and any other in comparative degree, and no other in positive degree. Okay, you just keep it in mind because it will be useful when you change the degrees. Next, type 1, model 1. In this model, comparison is made between two similar persons or things. Okay, here I portray this in the picture. There is the picture called A and B. Okay, both A and B are in same height. Okay, they are equal in height. Okay. So we can say that A is as tall as B. Okay, so here we compare two equal persons. A is as tall as B. Now I teach you how to change this sentence without losing the meaning. As I already told you, in type 1, positive degree can be changed into comparative degree alone, and comparative degree can be changed into positive degree alone. Here, the given sentence is in positive degree. A is as tall as B. So, in the format itself, we can understand that the sentence is in positive degree. Okay, so A is as tall as B. So, while changing, you have to follow the following steps. Okay, the first step is write the second person or thing mentioned in the sentence at the beginning. So here there are two persons, A and B. So A is the first person here and B is the last person. I mean second person here. Okay, in the first one, the second person should be come in the first. So I refer B in the first. Next, change into negative if the given sentence is not negative and vice versa. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that if the given sentence is not in negative form, you have to change the changing sentence into negative. If it is in negative form, you have to change the changing sentence into positive. Okay, so yeah, you have to keep in mind that. So in this sentence, A is as tall as B, and is not a negative sentence, isn't it? Okay, there is no not or never, likewise there is no negative terms in the sentence. So we have to mention not here. Okay, B is not. Okay, so the changing sentence should be in negative. Okay, B is not. Then third step is change the adjective into respective format. Okay, so here positive degree format is as tall as, so we have to compare the degree into comparative. So the format of comparative is adjective plus er plus than, so we use the adjective tall and er plus than, so we can get B is not taller than. Okay, and the fourth step is write the first person or thing at the end. Okay, so the first person of the sentence is A, so it should be come at the end. Okay, so B is not taller than A. Okay, so here this is what you have to change, the first type, first model. Okay, and the second model also you have to change like this. Okay, so from the sentence A is as tall as B and B is not taller than A. So when we compare these two sentences, both has the same meaning. Okay, so we can get the comparative degree from the positive degree without losing the meaning. I'm giving exercise here. I just go through this, you listen. Mohan is as young as Madan. It is in positive degree. So when we compare into comparative degree, so the second subject Madan should be first and the first subject Mohan should be come at the last. Okay, so Madan is, the given sentence is in not negative, so we have to add negative format in the sentence. So Madan is not. As younger should be changed into comparative as younger than. Then the first sentence Mohan should be come at the last. So we can get comparative degree as Madan is not younger than Mohan. Okay, then this plan is not better than that. So we can, this is in comparative degree, so we can change the sentence in positive degree, like that is as good as this plan. Okay, then she can jump as high as I cannot jump higher than she. Okay, so here the adverb is compared here. Okay, so the action of she is compared with I. Okay, so we have to add not to the given verb. Okay, she can jump as high as I is changed into I can jump will be changed into cannot jump higher than she. Okay, got it? Okay, we will move to next slide. Type 1, model 2. Here comparison is made between two different persons or two different things. Okay, here I portray this in the picture A and B. The picture is tall and B is short. Okay, so they both are different in qualities. Okay, so we can tell A is taller than B. Okay, so it is changed into positive degree, like B is not so tall as A. Okay, as I already said, if the sentence is in negative and positive degree, we have to use so, not as. Okay, next I'm giving the exercise here, so look it. A donkey is not so strong as a horse. It is in positive degree, so a horse is stronger than a donkey in comparative degree. Then Raju works harder than Arun. It is in positive degree, and we changed it into comparative degree as Arun does not work so hard as Raju. See, usually in English, do verbs are used to form negatives. Okay, here Arun is the third person singular, that is why I add does not to work. Okay, so works, instead of works, I changed into negative as does not work so hard as Raju. As the sentence is in negative, I used so instead of as. Okay, next sentence, our college is older than yours. So we can change it into positive, like your college is not so old as ours. So you simply keep it in mind that if the comparative degree is in negative, it is model 1. If the positive degree is in negative, it is model 2. Then we will move to type 2. As I already said, this model is called OMV model. Okay, here we compare one person or thing with the number of persons or things with the similar qualities. Okay, here the pictures, 3 pictures are there in. Okay, in this picture, 3 persons are in equal height. Picture A, picture B and picture D are in equal height, and one is short, that is picture C is short in height. Okay, so here I speak about A. So A is one of the tallest boys in the class. Okay, for example, you go to the shop to buy a new dress for your village festival. There are so many big super duper dresses. You cannot choose what to buy because all the dresses are very good in designs, colors and materials. At last, after 1 hour, you conclude to buy one dress. Okay, the dress you chose at last is one among the best. Okay, got it? I'll tell you clearly. Before 20 years or before 15 years பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இப்போ 10th எக்ஸாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதோட ரிசல்ட்ஸ் வந்து அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யாராவது ஒரு பர்சன் மட்டும்தான் வந்துட்டு ஸ்டேட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வருவாங்க, அப்படி இருந்துச்சு. ஆனால் இப்போ ரீசெண்டாக ஒரு 5 years பிஃபோர், அப்போ கொஞ்ச நாளைக்கு முன்னெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா எப்படின்னா ஒரு 5 பேர், ஒரு 4 பேர், 2-3 பேர் அப்படி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்தாங்க இல்லையா. ஸோ அப்படி இருக்குது இல்லை, அதுதான் வந்துட்டு ஒன் ஆஃப் தி பெஸ்ட், ஒன் ஆஃப் தி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்லலாம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ அதில் நம்ம ஒருத்தரை யாரை ரெஃபர் பண்ணுறோமோ அவங்கள சொல்லும்போது ஹீ இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த பர்சன். இப்போ ஒரு மேட்ச் நடந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா, இல்லை ஒரு கேம் நடந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா, அதில் ஒருத்தர் வின் பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னா ஹீ இஸ் ஹீ இஸ் த பெஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். ஓகே, 1 or more members ஆர் 3 persons ஆர் 4 persons அப்படி வின் பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னா யூ ஹாவ் டு டெல் ஒன் ஆஃப் த பர்சன், ஒன் ஆஃப் த பெஸ்ட் பர்சன், ஒன் ஆஃப் த வின்னர்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு மென்ஷன் பண்ணணும். புரியுதா? So in this type, all the 3 degrees are used. Okay, we can use positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, so if the sentence is in positive degree, we can change it into comparative as well as superlative. Okay, if it is in comparative, we can change it as into superlative as well as positive. Okay, so for changing purpose, okay, so how to change the sentence into another, for that reason alone I mentioned it as OMV model, because you can easily grasp it and change the degrees easily. Okay, here I am giving the exercise for type 2, model 2, model 3. First sentence is, Akbar was one of the greatest rulers of India. Okay, so here one of the is there. Okay, so from one of the itself we can understand this is the type 2. Okay, model 3, it is in superlative, greatest அப்படிங்கிறதுனால இது வந்து நம்ம superlative அப்படிங்கிறத ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணலாம். Okay, then we have to change the sentence into comparative, like Akbar was one of the greatest will be removed as greater than many other. Okay, as I already told you that many other should be come at the after the adjectives. Okay, so greater than many other rulers in India. So this is comparative degree. And positive degree change, very few rulers. Okay, very few should be come at the beginning of the sentence. Already said, you know. So very few rulers in India were. So very few rulers mention பண்ணும்போது this subject is in plural. Okay, so we have to mention the verb in the plural form. Okay, so very few rulers in India were as great as Akbar. So great will be changed as great as in positive degree, you know. So I hope you understand. Okay, next sentence is rose is more attractive than many other flowers. Okay, it is in comparative degree. So when change the comparative degree into positive degree, very few flowers are as attractive as rose. Okay, then superlative degree, rose is one of the most attractive flowers. Okay, so you simply have it in mind. Okay, if the sentence is in the sentence given one of the means, if you asked to change comparative degree means you have to directly add many other into comparative and very few in positive degree. Okay, so that is why I resembles it in OMV model. Okay, next type 3, this model can be known as TAN model. Okay, here we compare one person or thing with a number of persons or things with the different qualities. Okay, see, all the four persons in the pictures are in different categories. Okay, they are different in height. Okay, among them A is the only tallest person. Okay, so A is the different height, B, C, D, all the fours are different height. Okay, A is only tallest person. So I mentioned in the sentence like A is the tallest boy in the class. Okay, so how you can understand? Okay, for example, you go to the shop and buy a new dress without any confusion because you think that this is the only super dress in the shop. Okay, so the dress you chose is the best one. Okay, ஸோ இதுதான் எதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் அப்படின்னா, இந்த 15 years to 20 yearsக்கு முன்பு வந்து 10th ஆர் +2 மார்க்ஸ் வாங்கும்போது ஸ்டேட் ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்த ஒரு ஆளுக்குள்ள எக்ஸாம்பிள். ஓகேவா, ஒருத்தர் மட்டும் வந்துட்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா ஹீ இஸ் த பெஸ்ட், ஹீ இஸ் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட். ஓகே, 3 பேர் 4 பேர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்தாங்கன்னா ஒன் ஆஃப் தி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆர் ஒன் ஆஃப் தி பெஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். ஓகேவா, நெக்ஸ்ட் I'll give you an exercise here. TAN model. First exercise is hydrogen is the lightest gas. Okay, so among all the gases, hydrogen is the only lightest gas. Okay, so we can change this degree into positive as it is a TAN model. In positive we have to use no other. Okay, no other gas is so light as hydrogen. Why I mentioned so here is no other is in negative form. Okay, so that is why here we have to add so to the adjective instead of as. Okay, then comparative degree, hydrogen is lighter than any other gas. Okay, so as a TAN model any other is in comparative. Okay, hydrogen is lighter than any other gas. Okay, then second exercise, no other mountain is so high as the Everest. It is in positive degree, so we change this into superlative like the Everest is the highest mountain. Okay, then comparative as the Everest is higher than any other mountain. Okay, next, do yourself. Here I have given some of the exercises to do yourself. First, you read the sentence thoroughly and find what type it is and find out what is the model is and then change it into remaining degrees. Okay, there are 10 sentences here. You work out at your home. Okay, so guys, I hope you all understand clearly. If you have any doubts, you just mention it in the comment box. I'll clarify all of your doubts. Okay, thank you so much.